Hi, everyone. My name is Jessie, and today I'm going to share my experience with Folixine. For those unfamiliar, it's a supplement that promises to reduce hair loss. Some time ago, I was dealing with a hair loss issue. I've always loved taking care of my hair, but the constant shedding was really affecting my confidence. I became desperate, trying various solutions without success. That's when I heard about Folixine. I remember being skeptical, considering I had tried so many things before. However, the promise of quick results and a 60-day guarantee convinced me to give it a try. I decided to purchase it from the official website to avoid any potential scams. I'll leave the link in the description for you. The anticipation during the wait was nerve-wracking, but when I finally received my package, I was impressed by the packaging, quality, and attention to detail. It seemed like something serious, something that could truly make a difference. I started my treatment, following the instructions religiously. 1 gummy a day before breakfast. The smell and taste were pleasant, and I eagerly awaited the results. It didn't take long to see the initial outcomes. My hair seemed stronger, the shedding significantly reduced, and the texture was amazing. I couldn't believe I had finally found a solution. But the real surprise went beyond the hair. Folixine brought incredible changes to my overall health. Energy levels increased, my sleep improved, and even a few extra pounds disappeared. It was as if life became more vibrant. If you're going through something similar, I want to encourage you to take that step. Click the link below, visit the official website, and start your own journey with Folixine. Remember, just like me, you deserve this transformation.